Meet the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, your new kitchen superhero. Cook 6 eggs fast-boiled, poached, scrambled, or omelets all at the push of a button. Worried about overcooking? Don't be. It's got auto shut-off for perfect eggs every time. Quick, compact, and cute in Aqua. Breakfast just got easier. Crack, peel, and separate. All in one simple tool. Perfectly crack raw eggs with no mess. Peel hard-boiled eggs in seconds. No more frustration. And easily separate egg whites from yolks. Ideal for baking. Upgrade your kitchen with this all-in-one egg tool today. Introducing the Jet Black Ear Wax Removal Tool with camera. See inside clearly with 1296 PhD resolution and 6 powerful LED lights. Comes with 12 interchangeable ear picks for safe and easy cleaning. Connect easily with your phone. Real-time video for precise control. Upgrade your kitchen with the AmuseWit Gravity Electric Grinder Set. Hands full? Just tilt to grind. No buttons needed. Adjustable coarseness lets you season to perfection. From fine to coarse. Built-in LED light ensures precise seasoning. Day or night, stylish, powerful, and effortless. Get the AmuseWit Grinder Set today. Introducing the ultimate 3-in-1 kitchen tool, the joined cheese grater with garlic crusher. Grate cheese, shred veggies, and mince garlic, all with one tool. Includes 2 sharp stainless steel blades and a strong handle for smooth, safe operation. Compact, versatile, and a must-have for every kitchen.